tech checking in. As you can see, you got the motherfucking problem right here, and you got Big Black right there. Just got a little project going on today. Just wanted to show y'all. I mean, I really just been kind of doing little bits and pieces, just making this vehicle mine. Once you've done, you know, the big horsepower, once you've done all the cosmetic mods, you really can't just pull out anything. You just don't get the same enjoyment until you've done the mods you want. So once I add some more performance, once I add, you know, I definitely gotta get this thing lowered and some new wheels. I definitely need new wheels for this thing. Once we get all of that complete, I'll probably bring it out a lot more. It's starting to get hot outside. The weather's starting to feel great. And I'm anxious to just get out in these streets, you know what I'm saying? Anxious to get out into these streets. But today, I just got a little simple mod. I just want to show you what I'll be doing on this vehicle today. While I've been just really working a lot, getting things situated. Please don't mind my dirty garage. Like I said, I've been real busy. Haven't had time to just clean up. But what I did was take my tail lights out. I saw there's a lot of just dust in general that I just need to clean. And this is one of those things that I mean where you really got to go through this car to just make it yours. I don't know the history about it, and I don't know who's been cleaning it, but me, the person I am, this needs to be cleaned. So while I make this video, I'm going to clean that. But still stay tuned, because it's not about cleaning my headlamp pockets. All right, that looks a lot better. It definitely could use a little bit more detail, but that was just plenty dirty. So I want to show you just what I did. Once again, these little things really make or break the car. And when I do these things, it just adds a little bit more character to it. So what I did was get these lamps tinted. I'm gonna show you a video from where I got them, where they're in the sunlight. Hold on. I don't ever really do the tint film thing. I always like to get my tail lamps actually tinted with paint, clear, hardener. What they pretty much do is just add some black paint into some clear, and then just do a couple shades, and then it's wet. Gives it a nice smoked look. Also makes the lamps look brand new at the same time, because they're just so clear. You can actually take old lights and get them to look just as good. Yes, sir. All right. It's an open and shut case. Those tail lamps look good. For real. Those look real good, bro. So like I said, normally I really don't do the paint film tint stuff. I actually get a painter to just smoke them out, giving that wet, fresh paint look. And that looks good. That looks real good. All right, guys, if you're in Houston and you need a painter, hit me up in my DM on Instagram, or you can just put a comment, put your email down in the comment section, and I'll get you with this guy. He's relatively cheap, quick turnaround. He tinted my rear lamps, my side markers, and my front turn signals. And I'll be sending him some other pieces soon to get get those painted as well. Pretty good dude, but I ain't gonna hold you guys. No Chill Chat checking out. Hit me up, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you want me to do to my car. Give me some ideas. I'm pretty much all yours at your dispense. I'm an open book. You know I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. So just let me know. Y'all take it easy, man. Holla. Oh, one other thing. So I just checked the mail and I got a special care package that just came in. My girl Rebecca sent me a little care package from, of course, Javon, Good Vibes or No Ties. You guys make sure you check her out on Instagram. She definitely got me right. It's a nice little thank you card. Decal. And got some dope little keychains. But I got me a t-shirt. I had ordered some slouch socks. That's a little A-Town thing. I needed a pair of those. And then she went and got me a t-shirt just so I can rock that. So probably on my next video, I'm gonna have this fit on. Check her out. I appreciate the love, Rebecca. Good vibes and no ties. All right, later.